Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing really well and I'm doing good too. So in today's video, we are going to do a dark feminine makeup look, which will be smoky, sultry, kajal eyes and then red lips, which will give us a dark feminine makeup look. But the look which you're seeing on the screen is not the same. It is a really good technique of makeup which gives us a flawless makeup base, and I have did it in my recent video. In my last video, you can just check that out. Click the I button. This makeup look is the underpainting technique which has recently went viral. You can check my latest video for that. And yeah, let's start without any further ado. Obviously, it's a dark feminine makeup look, so there must be a kajal, right? So I'm trying to mark my waterline. I'm just tightening my lids and I'm just making sure that I am doing it in the right direction. And here I'm taking it with the help of my lashes where they are going, pinching it with my nails just to get the sharp look, because my base is already done. I don't want to mess up with that. Now I'm tight lining the inner parts of my eyes the same way I did below my lashes. And now I'm going over my lashes, making sure it is looking same from all directions. And I'm making sure that it looks neat and clean. Now I'm going with the same kajal. I'm making the tail more broad and like edgy and going back and forth with my nails to make sure I'm not going out the line. Now we are going to do the waterline, and I'm just doing it very roughly, starting from the outer corners, connecting it with my inner corners because we are going to clean them up. And I'm connecting it with my outer wing just like it is shown on the screen. You guys can see it's really easy. I have done both the eyes. Now I'm taking my concealer brush and I'm just going on my under eyes, and I'm just making sure if there is anything, it's cleaned up. Kajal liner is done, you guys. Now it's time for the crease. So I'm taking a bronzer and I'm going to use a cream bronzer for my lids. I'm just going little bit above my crease to create that hollow effect, doing both my eyes side by side. Now it's time for some shimmer on the lids because we are here for all the shimmers and glitters and we cannot resist that. Obviously, when we are doing a dark feminine look, there's something has to be shimmery in it, because why not? Just did a little bit of that shimmery thing over my lids and then below my eyebrows, over my nose. Now I'm curling my lashes and then applying the mascara, and then I'm going over this mascara brush just to make things less clumpy. Now it's time for the lips. I think I'm going to be choosing a red shade of lip liner. Yes, I did choose a red shade for the lip liner, and it's nothing special, just your usual lip lining the lips and then putting some gloss and then putting some liquid matte lipstick. It's as simple as we do daily normally with our lips, okay? And that will be it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. अच्छा लगता है हिला कर होठ जब भी हौले हौले गुफ्तगू को साज करती हो अच्छा लगता है तुझे क्या गम तेरा रिश्ता गगन की बांसुरी से है पवन की गुफ्तगू से है सूरज की रोशनी से